Why do they hate Islam? Islam calls us to pureness and cleanliness. It calls us to a pure, clean, and advanced life, far from immoralities, sins, aggressions, as well as the wrongful acts of associating partners with Allah and ascribing to Him matters that we do not know of. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, may the peace and blessings of Allah be on His Messenger, Muhammad. A matter that we currently see before us makes us ask ourselves an important question regarding the fear of Islam. Why are people afraid of Islam? Why do they not want Islam? The belief that is set in the minds of the vast majority is that the Islamic laws will forbid them from enjoying this life. They also believe that they have two paths to choose from: to fully enjoy this life or to embrace Islam and be deprived from all of the pleasures in life. Is this true, or was it something that was contrived by the enemies of Islam in order to distance people from the religion and place fear of Islam in their hearts? Despite their beliefs, Allah states in the Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قل من حرم زينة الله التي أخرج لعباده والطيبات من الرزق. What are the matters that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prohibited which drives people to hating Islam? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the chapter of Al-Araf, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قل إنما حرم ربي الفواحش ما ظهر منها وما بطن والإثم والبغي بغير الحق وأن تشركوا بالله ما لم ينزل به سلطانا وأن تقولوا على الله ما لا تعلمون. Contemplate on the meaning of this verse and the matters that have been prohibited by Allah. You will find that there are only 5 matters which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forbidden: immoralities, whether apparent or concealed; sins; aggression without justification; associating with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala what has not been authorized by Him; and saying things about Him without knowledge. Can we see all of these pure and chaste ethics and morals, yet claim that Islam will prevent us from enjoying life? Islam calls us to pureness and cleanliness. It calls us to a pure, clean, and advanced life, far from immoralities, sins, aggressions, as well as the wrongful acts of associating partners with Allah and ascribing to Him matters that we do not know of. Thus, if this is the reality of Islam, why do people not want Islam? Why do they hate Islam? We have found that the attributes of the people who do not want Islam include: first, a desire from immoralities and indecent acts, thus hating Islam as it forbids them. Second, a desire for aggression, injustice, tyranny, and dictatorship, thus hating Islam as it prohibits those matters. Third, the desire to associate partners with Allah and worship multiple lords, including their whims and desires, Satan, fashion trends, customs, traditions, as well as many other things that have not been authorized by Allah. Due to the prohibition of these issues, they hate Islam. Fourth, these people also like to ascribe things to Allah without knowledge. Hence, they permit issues that have been prohibited by Allah and prohibit matters which have been permitted by Him. On account of Islam forbidding this act, they choose to hate Islam. We also find that there are many types of people in the community who hold hatred for Islam and refuse to let Islam into any aspect of their lives. In the next episode, we will talk about these people and their reason for refusing Islam. All praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds.